In this video, we are discussing Oozie Overview. Oozie is nothing but one scheduler which will keep the scheduling of different Hadoop jobs in the distributed environment. So it is one scheduler system. And also not only the scheduling, it also keeps the trace of different job completion and status. And for this, it uses two methods. One is the callback, another one is the polling. So let us go for more detailing about this Oozie overview. So what is Oozie? So Apache Oozie is a scheduler system to run and manage Hadoop jobs in one distributed environment. And it allows combining multiple complex jobs to run in a sequential order to achieve a bigger task. When the multiple job scheduling is required, when multiple complex jobs are to be executed in Hadoop, then this particular Oozie will be treated as a scheduler system. So Oozie detects the completion of the task through callback and polling. When Oozie starts a task, it provides a unique callback HTTP URL. So whenever Oozie starts a task, it provides a unique callback HTTP URL to the task and notifies that URL when it completes. But if the task fails to invoke the respective callback URL, in that case Oozie can poll the task to check its completion. And that's why it is doing all kinds of scheduling within these Hadoop processes. So different types of Oozie jobs. What are the different types of Oozie jobs? We are going to discuss the first one, that is the Oozie workflow jobs. The workflow jobs are represented as directed acyclic graphs, that is DAGs, to specify the workflow or the sequence in which the jobs will be executed. So whenever multiple jobs will be coming in parallel and whenever the complex scheduling will be there, in that case Oozie will be doing such workflow jobs using the DAG, that is the directed acyclic graph, to specify the workflow or the sequence in which the jobs are supposed to get executed. Next one is the Oozie coordinator jobs. So first one was Oozie workflow jobs. Now we are going to discuss Oozie coordinator jobs. So this consists of workflow jobs, and the workflow jobs are triggered by time and depending upon the data availability, and that is known as the Oozie coordinator jobs. Next one is the Oozie bundle, and this can be referred to as a package of multiple coordinators and workflow jobs at the same time. So that's why it is called Oozie bundle. So in this way, in this discussion, we have given you an idea what is the overview of Oozie. Thanks for watching this video.